Alright, reset somewhat. This time 10mm at 380 to 400 psi of pressure. The projectile weighs about 128 grains. I'm not sure what that is in metric weight, but either way, let's finish off a few pesky targets. The first one being that microwave door, second one being that glass washing machine door, and the third one being that safety glass Daewoo window. That's better. Man, this thing has recoil. And it will take a bit to reload. We'll have to wrap the slug in a cloth patch and ram it down the bore. There we go. Okay, washing machine door glass. That's more like it. That's a ton of pressure. .400 psi pressure. Right, Daewoo window glass. And the plasma panel. This is the business end of things. Try LG CRT right in the centre. Wow, I broke the back of it. I broke the whole lot. Got an extra thick patch and jam the bullet down the barrel. Actually, no, I don't even think I can get it started. That's a tight load. Let's try the centre CRT. Whoops. We have a malfunction. I may have to remove the barrel. Okay, that's not good. Let's try that again. I have to remove the barrel and clear the, well, I think the bullet's actually deformed and it's just not sealing. Right, let's try this the easy way. Bit of oil down the bore plus an extra patch. Let's see what happens. That's better. I like when the projectile actually comes out the other end. Or the end. It was the end for that CRT. These CRTs have been necked. There is no vacuum at the moment. Let's try another one. Let's try one of the upper ones. Hang on. Turn the compressor on. That's better. Double patching and a bit of extra lube oil down the bore, and these things come flying out. Without it, not so much. Let's try the other one. Wow, that was way off. Talk about bloody well, tumbling. That was a mile off. I could see it flying through the air and it went high and left. But considering I'm only a few feet away, that's pretty terrible accuracy. Oops, that's not bloody 40. It's a 38. bit of cloth. I'm just using offcuts of rags as patches. No, it's another bloody 30. 38. Come on, last one. Not a tight fit, but I'd like to hit it and stop putting dents in the back door. There we go. I'm not even patching them now. Wow, the compressor's getting hot. That's not good for it. I think I shortened the life of the compressor, but that was a load of fun. I'm just basically dropping the projectiles down the barrel and pop. You don't even need to patch the damn things, you just drop it down, it slides down on its own, and then away you go. 400 psi. Doesn't even matter if the projectile's not round. Most of those weren't round. They were just smashed slugs. Backstop, basically dugout backstop bullets. That was awesome. Well, at least I can clean up all that mess and throw it all in the recycling containers, the appropriate containers, and yeah, job done. Thanks for watching.